Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm happy to be here again, to be back here. This is Lasogenic Talk. I welcome you all to this channel today. In this video, I will be teaching you the best method to make money online with WOTC. The best method to make money online with WOTC. What is WOTC? WOTC is an acronym for World Over the Counter. World Over the Counter. World Over the Counter is an arbitrage trading platform. It's a cryptocurrency arbitrage trading platform whereby you will be making money in US dollar, that is in USDT. That is what you'll be making. That is how you'll be making money on daily basis. So this is dollar arbitrage platform. Dollar arbitrage platform. So in this platform, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, DOT, BNB, they will be traded against USDT, against your own USDT, and each transaction takes 3 hours, and you'll be making your profit in 3 hours. And also, arbitrage trading platform simply means that you are trading simultaneously on different exchanges at the same time, so you are just capitalizing on differences in their prices, in the prices of the commodity, and that will be your profit at the end of the transaction period. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be teaching you how you can do. You don't need to be a crypto trader, you don't need to be an expert, you don't need to be a professional before you can make money in crypto trading. Once you are in WOTC, then you are covered. So this is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. All you just need to do is to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full information on how to get started. Okay, all right. So if you are new here, I welcome you all. If you are new here or you are yet to subscribe, this is Lasogenic Talk. Okay, this video is brought to you courtesy of this wonderful platform, wonderful channel called Lasogenic Talk. Lasogenic Talk is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment platform. That is, I make a review on online investment platform and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision. This channel is solely for financial education and not for financial advice in any means. For that reason, you are expected to do your own due diligence and research, do your personal findings before you venture into any of the content being shared here. This is my own personal opinions about them, and it is personal to me. And though I'm not scaring you, but these are ways whereby I personally have been making money online. That is the reason why I think it's worth sharing with you guys. It's worth sharing with you guys. You just need to be responsible for your action. Okay, you see, anything online, they have their own risk. Not even online business alone, physical business, they have their risks that are attached. Okay, so for you now to say that online investment is risky, I can't do it, I can't come near it, it means that you are somehow partial, you are somehow biased with your decision, because everything in life involve risk. Eating is risky, sleeping is risky, walking, driving, running, everything is risky. Okay, so you just need to take a calculated risk and don't invest more than you can afford. Don't do more than your capability. All right, so now if you are new here or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, set it to all notification for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video, whenever I drop new educational content like this. Okay, and if after you have watched this video you found it to be very, very meaningful, useful and helpful, then please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, as this video can be the financial liberation information that many has been waiting for. You know, before there is liberation, before there is transformation, there must be a good information. So it is and financial information they might have been waiting for, so that they can have a financial transformation. All right, so once again, what we are considering today is the best method to make money online with WOTC, which is World Over the Counter Make Money Online Dollar Arbitrage Platform. So quickly, let me take you to the platform right here, right away. So this is the platform here, WOTC. So you click on it. All you need to do is to get registered. Before, for you to register, you need the registration link. Don't worry, I get it covered. So just check below this video. You find the description box, and check the description box of this video. You are going to see the registration link. Click on the registration link or copy it to your browser, and you are going to register. When you registered, keep your registration link, registration login details safe and secured, and you will be directed to where to download this app. You can also access your account through the browser, maybe the Chrome or any browser on your phone, depending on the device that you are using. All right, so after you have when you're through with your registration, then log in. When you log in, then you are going to arrive in a page like this. So what you just need to do is to fund your account. You need to fund your account with TRC based USDT. So the amount is dependent on you. So then you not need to click on this transaction all. So this is where the whole operation is being carried out. Click on transaction all. So let's wait for it to load. When you click on transaction hall, you have two section here. We have in the transaction and we have wallet balance. So when you deposit to this platform, all your total assets will be here, both what you have in your wallet balance and what you have in the transaction. Okay, so now the wallet balance is what you have. So the money in your wallet balance is what you can use for transaction, and when you have money in your wallet balance, you can use it for transaction, and it is after 3 hours that the transaction will be completed. So right now I have an ongoing transaction of 47.14 USDT. So by the time it is completed, you can see excuse me, I have 47 minutes 30 seconds left. I have 47 minutes 26 seconds left now. So all the money here, all the money in the transaction, it will be directed to wallet balance. It will be transferred to wallet balance and the profit after the completion of this trading time. So that is how it works. So all you just need to do is to deposit. For you to deposit, just click on the mine button here. When you click on the mine button, then you click on recharge. When you click on recharge, here, so it take you to this to the wallet address. This alphanumeric code you are going to copy out. This is the TRC20 USDT. Don't make the mistake of sending it to another network. It is USDT TRC20, and the minimum deposit here is 10 USDT. So when you copy it out, take you to your exchange and fund your account. So in a very short period of time after the confirmation from the blockchain, your fund will reflect in your my total asset. Then you can now come back to the transaction all, and you click on all. You click on all so that all your money will be used for the transaction, or you type the amount that you wish to trade with. So then you click on start filtering and you confirm the transaction. So you need to wait for you need to wait for 3 hours before you start another transaction. So that's how to do it on daily basis. Sorry, on 3 hours basis. You make money on 3 hours basis, so that means 8 times in a day. So it is as simple as that, and you can withdraw your money at any time. It is very fast, very secured, very fast and secured. You can withdraw your money at any time. After the 3 hours is completed, you can transfer it to your external wallet, or you can still trade again and again. So that is how to make money. You make USDT on 3 hours basis. So you don't need to be a professional or an expert in crypto trading before you make money. So you just need to capitalize on WOTC, world over the counter, and make your money on daily basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasso Journey Biztalk. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell and set it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update. And if you found this video to be very meaningful, useful and helpful, then please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now. Cheers.